This video is going to be very important for you guys because in this video I will talk about two model, and these two are actually golden model, and also I will give you a complete idea of use cases where this model can be used. One is this from Tencent Hy3 preview model, and another model is Ling 2.6 Flash. These two model are really great model, and this model have the agentic capability in all agentic scenarios and also coding, software engineering, and also non-coding work. This model is giving the great performance. Okay, so before discussing about these two model, let me give you a simple scenario, then only you will understand that why these two model are very important. But before that, let me tell you one thing. Inside open code, these two models are currently available for free to use. Here you see Hy3 preview freely available and Ling 2.6 Flash are freely available. Not only that, if you go to the open router, there you see that Ling 2.6 model is freely available till April 30, and here you see Tencent Hy3 preview. It is available for free till May 8. After that, they will charge money, but till these dates, this model are available for free to use through API. Okay, now let me give you one simple idea that why these models are necessary, because every day I am talking about so many models, and many of my subscribers are getting confused. They are commenting in every videos that bro, you are making so many videos on so many models every day, so we are getting confused that what can be the best use cases scenario so that we can use this model there and this model here. Okay, so I am giving you a real life scenario that I actually faced 2 to 3 days ago. So in one of my project, there I was working, and the requirement was that I need to edit the trend button. Okay, and that trend button, I need to be added in four components. Okay, so first what I did that I added the trend button and all of that functionality of the trend button inside one component. Okay, after that, what I did, I picked up one this kind of model which cost very less, and also it has the understanding capability and it has the agentic capability. So these models are price are very less. Okay, and although it is giving the great performance, I picked up this kind of model and then I told it that this is my train button functionality, and please follow all of that functions that is needed for the for this train button functionality, and reuse it. Means I am just refactoring the code for this train functionality so that I can use the code in other four components. Are you getting my point? Okay, if I manually make this code reusable, then it will take a lot of effort. Okay, and I need to think about that how can I place it, and I need to make the components also. But if I tell a model that please do it for me, then the model is not writing any new things. Okay, understand the scenario. The model is not writing any new things, it is just refactoring the existing thing. So here you tell me guys that here do you need sonnet or opus kind of model, because you are not writing any new logic on any new things, you are just refactoring the existing thing. So here this kind of model are enough. Think about the scenario, this kind of models are enough. And if you think about the Claude Haiku model, so Claude Haiku model can be used here, but instead of Claude Haiku, if you use these models like Tencent Hy3 preview or this Ling 2.6 flash models, okay, then it will be very helpful for you, and also it will be very cost effective for you, right? So this is the scenario. There you can use this model, and one thing is that this model, this Link 2.6 flash, you can use this model, the scenario that I have mentioned there, you can use this model. And not only this scenario, let's say you have implemented any kind of agentic workflows, and let me give you one example. Let's say you have built one workflow, and the workflow is that every day on 9 a.m. or 10 a.m., what it will do that it will check your Gmail, and it will check if there are any invitation or not for that day, if any meeting is scheduled. So for this kind of agentic scenario, Do you need Sonnet or Opus? You need not. Okay, you need an cost effective, you need any cost effective model which will actually help you. And here you see what they have written. Ling 2.6 Flash is designed for high token efficiency and not inflated output. It stays competitive on real agent tasks while helping developers reduce cost, improve throughput, and deploy more efficiently at scale. So these two models are actually production ready. And if I show you the benchmarks, then you will say, wow, oh my God, is this real? Yes, this is real. Here you see a Link 2.6 Flash, the blue color, and the other models they have compared with the Nemotron 3 Super 120 billion, GPT OSS 120 billion, and GPT 5.4 mini non-reasoning part, and GLM 4.5 air non-reasoning. So they have compared this model with the non-reasoning part of other models. And why they have compared it with the 120 billion parameter models? Because this model itself is 104 billion total parameter model, and at a time 7.4 billion active parameter. This is a huge advantage that at a time they are activating 7.4 billion active parameter. So this is a mixture of expert model, right? And you know that some days ago I made the video on this Nemotron 3 Super 120 billion, and I talked about this model, that this model really has a great agentic capability. But you see that in all of these cases, including software engineering and this CLOI well means agentic capability, this model really beating that Nemotron 3 Super. Okay, so this is really a great advantage for you to use this model. Okay, and also these are the core strength they have mentioned, that hybrid linear architecture, new architecture they have used this, and also token efficiency optimization. So this token efficiency optimization is very much required, otherwise it will cost more than your work. Okay, and that's why you see that today I made a video on this Xiaomi Mimo V2.5 Pro, and that I told you that this model is really very cost effective model that they have made, and that model can easily be used um, instead of Sonnet, or it is giving the near Opus level of performance. And here you see that build for agentic scenario, like refined tool use, multi-step planning, task execution to meet the real world demand. And another thing is that intelligence deliver blazing fast. This model is really very fast. So I'll show you the performance. So for that, what I'll do, go to the open router, and there I will go to the chat option, and there let me test any question. Okay, so you remember that when I tested the Qwen 3.6 35 billion model, and there all of these question I tested it. So I want to pick up 2 to 3 questions, because anyone can do the testing, just to show you that how fast this model is and how I am getting the answer. I am just testing it in front of you. So let me press enter, and you will see that within a second I will get the answer. So what I asked, that explain Jordblatt's theorem in topology. And here you see, I am not familiar with the result called Jordblatt's theorem in topology, because there is no this kind of theorem in topology. The same answer I got from the Cohen also. Yes, it is true that there is no this kind of theorem. So this model really have that capability. Now, if I go to this Tencent Hy3 preview, this model is really a golden model. Why? Because if I show the benchmarks, then you will understand. Okay, again I'm telling you that don't follow the benchmarks blindly. If any model publish, always test that benchmarks on your own, and then only trust that. Okay, and they have compared this model with the Kimi K 2.5, GLM5, and Cloud Opus 4.6, and this model is giving almost same to same, and you can say that there is a 1 to 2% accuracy difference with this top tier open source plus closed source model. Open source means Kimi K 2.5, GLM5, these are open source, and closed source model Cloud Opus 4.6. So on this agentic scenario, this you see that it is giving better performance than the Kimi K 2.5 and GLM5. Yes, you will say that already we have the Kimi K 2.6 and GLM 5.1. Yes, it is there, but the scenario that I have mentioned, where you don't need that kind of most complex logic, you just need to refactor your code, or you need or you have built a agentic workflow that I have mentioned, that analysis your Gmail, is there any meeting invitation for that day. So this kind of scenarios, think about this scenario, okay? Or let's say you are in a logistic company, and there you need to analyze a invoice, and you need to check that if there is any field missing or not, this kind of scenario. Or let's say you have built a chatbot for your company, the customer chatbot, for answering the query. There, do you need really any kind of or sonnet or opus? You don't need, right? You need this kind of models. Okay, so one thing is that I really tested this model for the software engineering coding purpose, and let me show you the actual actual output. So inside my project folder, here you see all of the models I have tested, and I'm opening this Tencent Hy3 preview, and let me open it in front of you. And here you see the same prompt that I tried for every other model, and here you see this model really have the capability to build the advanced animations. Here you see, and if I scroll down below, here you see, and if you see this portion, this portion is really better than DeepSeek version 4. Again, I am telling you the DeepSeek version 4. Oh my God. Okay, but you see that it is really better. Those who have seen my DeepSeek version 4 video, they will tell you it is really better. And it is one sorted prompt that I have given. Okay, no iteration, without any iteration, it has given me this. This is really good, right? This is really good. So what I was saying that this model can be used for all of the scenarios that I have mentioned. Plus, if you are building any kind of medium logic, or any kind of medium animation that you want to add, okay, there this model will give you the best performance. Okay, so I hope that you got the idea, guys, why this model are best. Please try it yourself and just test it, and I'm saying that you will be benefited from these two model. Okay, these are actually golden model, which are actually cost effective, and you will get the work done. Okay, so yes, if you want to get this type of videos more, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.